ॐ प्रपन्नपारिजाताय तोत्रवेत्रैकपाणये ज्ञानमुद्राय कृष्णाय गीतामृतदुहे नमः. Arjuna expressed his unwillingness to fight the war, but he is not very sure of his decision because of his deep delusion. न चैतद्विद्मः कतरन्नो गरीयः यद्वा जयेम यदि वा नो जयेयुः यानेव हत्वा न जिजीविषामः तेव स्थिताः प्रमुखे धार्तराष्ट्राः. Arjuna says he is not sure who is going to win, whether the Dhritarashtra Putras or Pandu Putras. Previously he said that he is not at all willing to fight this war. Na katarat gariyaha na vidmaha. We don't know what is good for us to fight or not to fight this war. Yadva jayema yadivano jayeyuhu. We do not know whether they will conquer us or we will conquer them. We can know the result only at the end of the war. If we have started something, we should get involved in it with full attention. After having begun something, we should not think much about the consequences. We should focus our entire time and energy to complete the task successfully. But human beings suffer this problem of thinking too much about the consequences and in the process losing focus on the task on hand. Shri Vedavyasacharya presents this human behavior through Arjuna. Yaneva hatva na jijivishamaha te avasthitaha pramukhe dhartarashtraha. The sons of Dhritarashtra are standing in front of us. After killing them, we will not have the desire to live in this world. Na jivitum ichchamaha. We will not be desirous of living after killing them. Till now, Arjuna was focusing on various ways to remove his sorrow. He was convinced that his decision was right. He thought that fighting this war is adharmic. He was even ready to get killed by them without fighting. A king should not give importance to his personal joys and sorrows. He should always keep in mind the welfare of the people and his responsibilities towards welfare of the kingdom. His well-being lies in the society's well-being. A king should never give room to personal whims and fancies. Since Arjuna is confused and has so much of attachment and affection towards his family members, he thinks that his attachment is greater than dharma. Arjuna knows that he is contradicting his own statements. Krishna's patience and silent gesture indicates that. The next shloka will bring a transformation which we will see tomorrow. Na chaitadvidmah kataranno gariyaha yadva jayema yadivano jayeyuhu yaneva hatva na jijivishamaha teva sthitah pramukhe dhartarashtraha. My prayerful blessings to all of you. Hari Om.